Hey bros, it's Wolflopez here, back with another video. So in this video we're going to look at Fantom FTM token. Okay, so the reason I wanted to create this video is simple. In the last couple of like 24 hours, there was a huge flash crash on the markets. Look at this. This is what happened. Basically 20% flash crash, and I'm going to explain why this happened. But when this happened, I instantly went on the CoinGecko and took a huge list of currencies that didn't crash. Okay, basically what happened on these currencies, they went up when everybody else crashed. Okay, and I don't know why I'm putting fetch here. So Fantom, but definitely Fed was also one of the coins that went up, and definitely watch that video also. It's very interesting, and you can find it on my channel. But anyways, this video is about Fantom. Look at that, crazy! Oh my god! So yeah, so Fantom is very bullish, right? So the momentum for Fantom is very bullish, very bullish, and you can already see it on the chart basically. And yeah, okay. So in this video we're going to cover Fantom. But before that, I want to quickly say that why these flash crashes happen. Okay, so let me explain it quickly here. Okay, this is not the causation correlation is not like, it's very hard to say that which causes like which what thing. It's like it's very hard to predict, like say that in science, if you think of it like a science scientifically that. But at the same time, I know that leverage trading is a known fact that people leverage trade. It's because of reward bias. People want to make fast money, get rich quick, right? Who doesn't want that? Okay, so when people leverage trade on unregulated markets, so for example on traditional finance, there's only 2 to 3x. I think that's like the max leverage that people can use. But on cryptocurrencies, it's not regulated, and so a couple of months ago, it was still like 100. People could use 100x leverage. Think about that. And when it's still like 20x. So people, for example, a lot of people do leverage trading. So what they do is when they see that the market is bullish, so we have gone up for like a week, 100% of gains, people just long, meaning that they bet with leverage that we will go up only. And when a lot of people do that, the whales see that. Okay, they can see it. And when that happens, what only thing that whales have to do back in that moment is sell a lot, and that will liquidate the first longs, and then there's a lot of longs, so it will just like, okay, and that's why that's why the crash is so hardcore, because there's no support there. It's just like, okay. So that's why the prices just go like 20% down. Okay, of course after that there's panic, and then people just panic. So, oh god, it's going down, we're just losing all. So people panic sell at the bottom. So they are the bottom sellers, and you never want to be a bottom seller. I was a bottom seller back in like 2019ish or something like that, and you don't want to do that, because you will just lose money. But I've been in cryptocurrency since late 2016, so it has been a long journey for me, and I have learned a lot. Like tons. Okay, I have a crazy knowledge and experience right now. So you know what I'm saying, and I'm learning every single day. I'm saying that I know it all. Definitely not. But what I want to do with this channel in general is to document my journey on cryptocurrencies, because I'm a hardcore believer of decentralization. Okay, and I'm a hardcore believer of cryptocurrencies. Okay. And yeah, that's that. So anyway, so Fantom did, like, look at here, there is no dips, it's just all up only. Okay, so people who longed a Fantom actually made crazy gains here. But anyway, so that's very rare. So yeah, but the next thing that I want to show you here is that the risk reward of investing in Fantom, I think that it's kind of like the risk reward is huge, as when the bullish hype will end, we will test back to these levels. I think that $1 is a huge one, and just after that like 50 cents or something like that. And the risk is, in my opinion, the risk reward probability of it coming down, like the pay, like understand what I'm saying here, the payout is like, if you think about, if it 2x's here, it goes to $3. Okay, that's fair enough, right? But at the same time, the underlying risk for that 2x is huge. So the risk is bigger for risk is big for small returns, okay? But people, for example, I'm saying this, but the people who invested here, they don't care if it goes down like here or here, because they have already bought here, so it doesn't like affect them, but it affects people who buy here, who buy the top. Okay, if you are buying people like they bought here at 16 cents and you're buying their backs here, because of course at this point somebody's taking profits at some point, and when the profit taking starts, I mean, it's going to come down crashing. Because I have witnessed this over and over again. No matter how bullish it is, it will come down. It will come down. Okay, because it's Newton's third law. Every action has its opposite and equal reaction. Nobody never believes me on this one, but then when they do, they're just like, no, I lost again money. So I have witnessed this over and over again. But at the same time, I still think that Fantom in the long term, it's such a legit project, guys. It's such a legit project, and there are amazing things coming to Fantom. Okay, but at the same time, it's all about the narrative. So what people like, think about Cardano, when everybody was like, Cardano is the best, like this is bullshit, like, you know, Cardano is the best, and right now the momentum has shifted. Cardano, now it's not working, and that's that. So it's one black swan event, or it's not even black swan event for Cardano, because there has been, if you go to Reddit forums in 2018 they was launching testnet for smart contracts. 2018, baby, 2018. And it's now 2021, and they're launching a new testnet on smart contracts. And there are projects that have had smart contracts figured out long ago. So it's no it's no secret. But people are just very arrogant. They don't do research. So anything like, if you haven't done enough research on Fantom and you just buy blindly the back here, good luck. Okay, good luck. I just want to say that because I don't want you to lose money. Warren Buffett's favorite thing that the first thing that he says is, never lose money, and the second rule is never forget the rule number one. So never lose money. But on cryptocurrencies, there's going to be, the volatility is crazy because the gains are crazy, so it like balances it. So if you lose like 10, for example, I've been like days like when I just lose like 10k, 20k, 30k a day, and you're like, damn, like that's crazy. But at the same time, it's like, you know, it will come back. It will come back. Okay, but when you have diversified portfolio, the crashes are not that crazy. Okay, because for example, if you're all in on Fantom, it will just crash back here. You know what I'm saying. Okay, that's the thing that I want to currently say to the marketplace and to the new people here and to the people who are on the echo chambers of we just go up. Okay, because I've been there. I've been on the echo chambers of, you know, when you listen to only thing, you don't listen to any other opinion of the thing, you will just go blind. I have done it, and it's great. It's dangerous. And remember that there's always opportunity cost. People don't understand it, but when you invest in a project that's mega bullish, there is always still underlying opportunity cost that you could have put your money elsewhere. Okay, that's, nobody talks about that. No one. I mean, just no one. But anyway, this is going to be the video, and now as we close this video, I have done research, crazy research for a long time right now, and I'm sharing what I have found. Like, I have found crazy projects that are insanely undervalued. If you look at the chart, they are basically right here and here. Okay, currently, if you look at the projects, they are here at these price levels. Yeah, these price levels and these price levels. So they are they are legit working projects, very extremely undervalued. And I share those in the paid group, basically paid training. It's a group of people right now, so there are a lot of people there. So if you want to know the coins, you can get them in the description. And no, I'm not going to give them away for free, for the simple fact that I do this for work. Okay, I just do research all day long, and it's my work. So it would be the same that you would go to work and you are not going to get paid for your work. So no, it's not free, but you have to pay. But the fraction, you will pay the fraction of the cost, the time I have spent and the knowledge I have spent and the money I have spent for the training to find these coins. So you can check it out. You definitely should at least give it a try. Okay, so that's the easiest way to do the research if you want to find the coins that haven't already went into like this kind of crazy mode. And the second thing that I want to say to you is that you can do it yourself. You can just sacrifice your time and do this crazy research on the coins. Okay, you can do that. I do that to find the coins, but yeah, you can do that. I love doing research, so it's not biggie for me. And the third thing is that if you want easy way to do research, you don't have to go like crazy on reading the white papers and all that stuff. You can use token metrics. So token metrics is a machine learning software. The founder made turned 20k into 5 million in the last bull run, and I believe that we have the same opportunity right now. So if this, you definitely, I've been using this for months, a month, like over half a month right now, and it's just crazy. I use the investor plan, and you can check the link in description. It's token metrics. If you click that link, you will get also bonuses. So you will get 10% off lifetime. I've been using that code myself, and it has saved tons of money for me already. And this token metrics has made me crazy money already, because they have like the coins that you will find on token metrics you can't find on anywhere. So you can call on TP, where they will do they do the insane research. You can just piggyback off their research, and they have teams of doing the research, so it's very good. And when you come to data and ratings, and by the way, you can also come here and type in any coin here, and you can find in-depth stuff. They're very in-depth. And when you go to data and ratings and you click 30-day, you can see the coins that the AI is thinking that will probably go up in the 30-day period. Okay, so when you have this list of coins, and you will put these coins on, for example, Fantom, CoinGecko, and you will look at the coins, you will do your own research on them, or you can look at the data that they have on the platform. You just click the coin here and you will see. It's crazy. And yeah, you can find the coins that haven't even popped yet. If the coin is in your circle of competence and you understand the competitive advantage of the coin, and it's innovative and the price is undervalued, I mean, that's a no-brainer, baby. That's a no-brainer. You can find those no-brainers on token metrics. And thank you so much for watching, guys. See you in the next episode. So this was Fantom, and peace out. Okay.